Hello.
Hi, my name is Bruce Borden, and this one is Carla Borden.
I'm his wife, obviously. So anyways, the one thing about Fantasy is that they have all the activities planned out. You do not have to think about them. You can enjoy them totally, and the enjoyment and the fun of not only seeing everything, but the people.
And on top of that, Fantasy does tours that you would never do on your own and think of doing on your own if you did the trip by yourself. There's a definite advantage of going with Fantasy because, well, number one, you make friends for life.
Yes. And we have been able to experience those friends for life even after we have done Fantasy. So it is an extended timeline that you experience because it goes into your future of experience, not only with future tours, but also future friends. And we were able to enjoy just the dinners, the camaraderie, the
bears.
The bears. Oh, and
the salmon run.
Oh, yeah, but the one thing, I have never seen the fish in the water boil as such as at Valdez as when we were at the fish hatchery and we saw there was so many fish, there wasn't enough water. And water was literally boiling. So we totally enjoyed that.
Right.
And the weather and it was breathtaking. There was everything new around every corner that we could experience, and glaciers.
The only problem with the tour is 61 days was
Is
not
long
enough.
enough. So don't do it on your own. Go with it with people, and it'll be beyond your wildest dreams.
And much more enjoyable. It was a fantastic tour. Would we do it again? Yes, we'd do it again.
And wonderful.
Most favorite spots? Valdez, Homer,
Yes. Skagway.
Anchorage, Skagway. Just go down the map on the trail that it goes. You're going to have the same list, and it's going to be all of them because all of them were fantastic. We enjoyed every single one. Even at one spot in Valdez where it rained, it was still beautiful there. So we had a wonderful time. Highly recommend the 61-day Alaska Ultimate.
Go for it. Do it.